How to change all Facebook posts to only friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change all the Facebook posts to only friends. Open the app and head over to three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen and scroll down below and head over to settings and privacy. Now once on settings and privacy, head over to settings, and if you scroll down below under audience and visibility, you'll find the option post. Now once you open this, you can see who can see your future post and limit who can see your past post. Now if you wanna limit all your previous Facebook post to only your friends see, then go ahead and here tap on limit past post. You'll get a warning you are only about to limit all past posts on your timeline. So once you do this, only your friends will be able to view your past posts, and you can see this first option, who can see your future post. And if you change this to friends, then only your friends will be able to view the post whatever you post in the future. So this way you can change all Facebook posts to only friends on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.